How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Is it possible to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name? So let me tell you, there are a couple of steps that you can actually try. However, these steps does not guarantee you'll be able to find the person you are looking for. So first and foremost, you can always check for a mutual friend. For that, you can tap on your profile icon, and either you can check on the followers list or in the following list to check for any of the possible mutual friend from which you might get the details of the person that you are trying to find. If not, Instagram does have a explore page that is right at the bottom in the search button. So you can go ahead and check out if you can find any of the person that you are looking for right here in this section. If not, you can search by location. If you know the location of the person, you can actually search for the location right here. Or you can even use hashtag or something similar. So these are some of the indirect way to use to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. We hope you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.